Hello YouTube, Derp here with another vlog, and right now I am just checking out the fireworks. Happy 4th of July everybody. So, check that out, all those fireworks. Let me zoom that in.
Is that it? There's some behind you, huh? They're all in the front, you know.
Yeah, there used to be a big one behind here. I didn't get a look at it.
Come here.
So yeah, like all those fireworks. See, are very tiny. CJ, come on, get over here. CJ, come on.
Come here, closer.
Come on, get here.
There's a snake over there.
Yeah, it's gonna bite you.
Sit down here. There's a snake there.
So yeah, everybody, happy 4th of July. I just wanted to do a random vlog. My first one, actually.
No.
So, all I can say for today is Patriots.
That's the finale now.
Oh man, but it's like blue, so my video can't see it. My video can't see it. Oh, there we go, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. Happy 4th of July. Oh my God! Whenever a car goes by, it's freezing. Okay, I don't know what time it is, but this is really cool. There's a whole bunch of fireworks right there. All these fireworks. Look at that! Look at that! Not bad. We're pretty far away from the real area where there's fireworks. I really don't care. So, yeah, see? There's like a whole bunch of fireworks. We'll see all those. Oh, look at that. Look at that one over there. Look at that. Oh, look at that one. So, everybody, please subscribe to my channel and tune in for more vlogs. Or vlogs, actually vlogs. Video/blogs. Yeah. Okay. Bye, everybody. Happy 4th of July. See ya.